Hey there, I won't beat around the bush. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own talking animated avatar using free AI tools. You know those channels with animated avatars? They're killing it on YouTube and other platforms right now. And I'll show you how. You can use this process on a mobile device too. Just open any browser, then follow every steps. You can use CapCut's text-to-image feature. It's pretty simple. However, I'm going to use Leonardo.ai. I'll use some prompts to generate images and I'll provide the prompt in the description. After finding the right images, save them on your device. After saving the images, you may notice that the image quality is quite poor. To fix this, I'm going to use CapCut's image upscaler. It can enhance your images up to 4K resolution. When this is done, save it on your device. Now, we need to talk about the avatar. To make it talk, you can use artflow.ai. It's good. However, I'm going to use DID. It's very easy. All you have to do is drop your picture and add text or drop an audio file. Now, let's move on to the video generation process. This step is essential as it brings all your hard work together into a cohesive and engaging visual presentation. Generating the video may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the video is generated, you'll likely notice the presence of watermarks. These can detract from the overall quality of your content. However, fear not, as we have a solution at hand. We'll employ the use of media.io, a powerful tool renowned for its ability to seamlessly remove watermarks from videos. By utilizing this tool, you can ensure that your final product maintains a polished and professional appearance, free from any distracting marks or logos. Now, drag the video to the media.io. Now, it's time to select the area where the watermarks are located. Using the brush tool, carefully polish over the watermarks to ensure they are completely covered. Take your time with this step to ensure precision and thoroughness. Remember, the goal is to seamlessly remove the watermarks, leaving behind a clean and professional final product. After completing the polishing process, proceed to click on the Remove Object option. This step is crucial as it initiates the removal of the selected watermarks from your video. Take a moment to double-check your work and ensure that all areas with watermarks have been adequately addressed before proceeding. Once you're satisfied with the selection, go ahead and click on the Remove Object button to commence the removal process. After that, export it to your device. Now, let's take a moment to assess the video quality. Upon closer examination, you may find that the current resolution doesn't quite meet your expectations. It's understandable. After all, achieving the desired level of visual fidelity is crucial for captivating your audience's attention. To address this, we'll need to upscale the video. This process involves enhancing the resolution and overall quality of the footage, ensuring that every detail is crisp and clear. Thankfully, CapCut offers a reliable solution with its video upscaler feature. This powerful tool is designed to effectively boost the resolution of videos, even those with subpar quality. By leveraging CapCut's video upscaler, you can elevate your content to new heights, providing viewers with an immersive viewing experience that leaves a lasting impression. Now, let's proceed by dragging the video file into the designated area. Once the video is loaded, navigate to the Upscale option and click on it. This initiates the upscaling process, which will enhance the resolution and overall quality of your video within a matter of seconds. While the upscaling is underway, take a moment to appreciate the transformation taking place. This simple yet powerful enhancement will ensure that your video stands out with crisp, clear visuals that capture the viewer's attention from start to finish. Once the upscaling is complete, you'll be amazed at the difference it makes in elevating the overall quality of your content. After successfully enhancing the video to meet your desired quality standards, the next step is to export it to your device. This crucial phase marks the culmination of your efforts, transforming your raw footage into a polished and professional final product ready for sharing with your audience. Take a moment to review the video one last time, ensuring that everything looks just the way you envisioned. Once you're satisfied with the result, proceed to export the video to your device. This process may vary depending on the software or platform you're using, so be sure to follow the appropriate steps to save your masterpiece. With the video safely exported to your device, you're now ready to share it with the world and showcase your creativity and talent to a wider audience. Utilize your avatar strategically, understanding that even a small presence can have a significant impact. By carefully integrating your avatar into your content, you can create a lasting impression on your audience. Remember, establishing a genuine connection with your viewers is essential. Your avatar serves as the face of your brand, embodying your values and personality. Despite not showing your face directly, you have the power to cultivate a strong personal brand that resonates deeply with your audience. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash your creativity and start standing out from the crowd. Embrace the possibilities that your avatar offers and explore new ways to engage and captivate your audience. Whether it's through storytelling, humor, or informative content, let your avatar be the conduit through which you connect with your viewers on a deeper level. If you found this video helpful and insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable tips and tricks. Together, let's continue to explore the exciting world of content creation and build thriving communities around our shared passions and interests. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.